Actually, this is one of the project I'm working on right now. You see this part, the servo. I need to attach the servo to a wheel. Just this is just like a wheel. This is a 360-degree rotating servo. So I need to attach the servo like this. But the problem here is, like, I can only attach it like placing the servo horn right here. It's looking really weird. Like, I can see the servo horn. I can screw it like here, but it'll be seen. It won't be looking that good. So I'm looking for any alternate designs to make it a bit more good. Like, I can't place it like this because it will come outside. If it's placed like this and screwed, then it'll be there, it'll be fixed. So any suggestions from your side?